Finding the best crock-pot can feel tricky when there are so many sizes, features, and brands out there. The truth is, the best crock-pot is the one that cooks evenly, stays simple to use, and fits your daily routine, whether you're making chili for a busy weeknight or slow-cooking pulled pork on a Sunday. I've tested and compared many models the way real home cooks across the US use them, so you'll hear the good and the small downsides too. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Crock-Pot 6-Quart Cook-Carry Programmable Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 6-Quart Cook-Carry Programmable Slow Cooker is a simple pick for family meals and small gatherings. I like how easy it is to pack and take to a potluck. The locking lid seal keeps food from spilling during travel. That gives peace of mind on busy days. Another helpful feature is the auto warm mode. It keeps food ready to serve without overcooking. The 6-quart size feeds several people but still fits well on most counters. The moonshine green color also adds a fun style. My only small note is the outer body needs hand cleaning. Number 4. Crock-Pot 7-Quart Portable Programmable Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 7-Quart Portable Programmable Slow Cooker is a great choice for families who want simple meals with less stress. I like how it manages cooking time on its own. The My Time cooking system adjusts heat during the cycle so food is ready right when you plan to eat. That helps avoid overcooked meals on busy days. Another feature I find very helpful is the locking lid seal. It keeps the lid tight when carrying food to a party or family gathering. I once took chili to a game night and nothing spilled in the car. The 7-quart size easily feeds a group, which makes it nice for weekend dinners or holiday meals. The digital controls are also easy to understand. Cleanup stays simple because the pot and lid go right into the dishwasher. One small downside is the outer unit feels a bit bulky on smaller counters, but overall it works very smoothly. Number 3. Crock-Pot 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker is built for big meals and busy family days. I like using it when cooking for a crowd. The large pot easily fits chili, pulled pork, or a big roast. The 20-hour digital timer helps track cook time without stress. I often set it in the morning and let it run through the day. Another helpful feature is the auto warm mode. Once cooking ends, it keeps food warm until everyone is ready to eat. That is great for long family dinners or game day gatherings in many US homes. Cleanup is easy since the stoneware and lid go right into the dishwasher. The black stainless finish also looks clean and modern on the counter. One small downside is the size. It takes a bit more space in the kitchen. Still, for large meals and simple controls, it feels like a strong pick for the best programmable crock-pot. Number 2. Crock-Pot 7-Quart Cook-Carry Sous Vide Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 7-Quart Cook-Carry Sous Vide Slow Cooker feels like a smart upgrade for anyone who likes slow meals but also wants more control. I tried it with beef and chicken and the results were very tender. The sous vide mode cooks food in a gentle water bath. This helps meat stay juicy and full of flavor. Another feature I really like is the temp probe cook system. It checks the inside heat of the food and stops cooking at the right time. That means less guesswork on busy days. The 7-quart size is roomy enough for large roasts, chili, or weekend family meals. The locking lid is great when taking food to gatherings or potlucks. I also like that the stoneware and lid go right into the dishwasher. One small downside is that sous vide cooking can take longer to learn, but once you try it, the results feel worth it. Number 1. Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker Programmable Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker Programmable Slow Cooker feels like one of the most flexible options if you want the best crock-pot for busy kitchens. I like that it lets me cook 2 dishes at once, which is perfect for family dinners or meal prep days. The DualSync timer is very handy. Both pots finish at the same time, so nothing sits and gets cold. Another feature I enjoy is the dual pot cook design. Each pot runs its own heat and cooking mode. I once made rice in one side and slow-cooked chicken on the other. It saved a lot of time. The bake function at 300 or 350 degrees F is also fun for quick breads. Cleaning is simple because the ceramic coating wipes clean fast. The only small downside is the large size. It needs good counter space. Still, it feels like a strong pick for the best digital crock-pot. Final verdict. If I had to pick just one from this list, I would personally recommend the Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker Programmable Slow Cooker as the top choice. It stands out because it can cook 2 dishes at once and offers several cooking modes in one appliance. For busy kitchens or families who want more flexibility, it feels like a very practical all-in-one cooker. For a more specialized option, the Crock-Pot 7-quart cook-carry Sous Vide slow cooker is a great pick. It's ideal for people who want precise cooking and restaurant-style results at home, especially with the Sous Vide feature and travel-friendly design. If you want to learn more, check the links in the description for current prices and full details, and choose the cooker that fits your cooking style and needs best.